Hey everybody, we're back for more science experiments. For today's experiment, we are going to be putting Alka-Seltzer into Coke to see what happens. Ah! It's erupting! It's erupting. But is it delicious? Is it delicious? Chemical reaction. The carbon dioxide bubbles react with the Alka-Seltzer. That causes the giant tasty explosion. For this next experiment, my brother and I are going to be figuring out what happens if we put this inside water and cover it up with a happy balloon. Hey, happy face. It's blowing up. It's blowing up. Ooh, look at Mr. Happy. Whoa, look at him. He's healed. You Mr. Balloon. Hurry up, Mr. Balloon. Mr. Balloon, blow up. It's going to blow up any second now. The carbon dioxide was trapped in the balloon, so I made it blow up like a volcano. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. We'll see you next time. Bye. Let's do that again.